Slot booking, we have to first go to www.tgtransport.net and select slot booking. In the left top corner, select online transactions in that registration and again click fresh registration slot booking. You have to read all the instructions and click continue. Then you have to self-declare the below by clicking I agree. In the next page, you have to enter the temporary registration number, the chassis number last 5 digits and your mobile number and click for request for OTP. Once after receiving the OTP, enter the OTP and enter the secret code there and click OK. Then the application details will be automatically captured in the bottom side. Once you have to confirm the details and submit the data. Then you will be transferred to the next page showing the available dates. Click on the preferred date. Then the time slots will be showing on the right side. Then we have to select the preferred time. You have to select from the available slots. Then click next. Then your slot booking will be confirmed and below it will show the fees to be paid online for the slot booking. You can download or print the form and keep it with yourself for showing it in the office. As I have already paid the fees, it is showing as 0. Otherwise, the option will be coming for paying it online. Normally the fees will be application fee 600, smart card fee 200, postal charge 35 and registration service charge 400 rupees.